Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to check transactions history in your GPay account. First of all, open GPay. Then to check out what are the transaction you have made. That is, you have received money or you are sending money, whatever may be. So you can check all complete transaction using this see transaction history. Just to click on this and you will find all this. Okay, see, these are all the transactions history for me. So in this way you can easily check out to transaction history, and you can check out whether you have received money from which person, and for whom you have sent money. In this way you can just check out how you have done money transaction from your GPay account. This only include GPay account, that is UPI via GPay. Okay, suppose if you have done the same UPI with other Paytm or phone be like that, that will not be included here. Okay, so if you are using GPay, then in that GPay, what are all the transactions you have made, that will be showing here. Okay, so in this way you can easily check out money transaction history in your GPay account. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.